Why Elon Musk is building a secret nuclear reactor. In 1986, an accident occurred at the Chernobyl nuclear reactor plant of Ukraine that took 30 human lives and damaged property worth around $7 billion. According to a 2005 report of the World Health Organization, around 4,000 people die every year because of cancer after being exposed to the radiation released by the same accident. As dangerous as nuclear energy could be, Elon Musk is now favoring nuclear energy by claiming that the rising demand for electricity-based products can only be achieved through the successful handling of nuclear reactors. He also stated that, unless the nuclear reactors are prone to extreme natural disasters, the targeted nuclear reactor should keep on functioning. If we dive deep into history, the constant debate surrounding the handling of nuclear reactors has been in the picture since 1954, when the first nuclear reactor was constructed. As human error, one way or the other, manages to exist, this forced major countries like Switzerland, Belgium, Spain to close all the nuclear reactors by 2030. In fact, Italy has become the only country in the world to successfully close its nuclear reactors, followed by Germany, closing the rest of the 3 reactors by this year end. So, by keeping all these facts in mind, can Elon Musk convince all the countries to continue with their nuclear reactors? Well, we have some compelling reasons to discuss that could force all the countries to think of nuclear reactors from a different angle. Number 1. Fission reaction. When we look deeply into the current nuclear reactors, you would realize that they create energy by combining 2 atoms into each other, which is called fusion. Whereas Musk is focusing on a fission reaction that creates energy by separating the 2 atoms from each other. Through this method, Musk claims that we can build super safe nuclear reactors like never before, and still manage to achieve the same results that we used to achieve in fusion nuclear reactors. Number 2. Light up remote locations or factories. According to US Energy Information Center, around 20% of the energy is created in America through nuclear reactors. According to experts, by keeping the nuclear reactors till 2045, we will be on the road to save around $21 billion of the cost involved in generating power, and could also save 90,000 acres of land from being utilized for generating electricity. This makes it clear that nuclear energy is very useful for society, which is why Elon Musk is trying to build portable nuclear reactors based on fission that could light remote areas like the mountains and could also support factories or any other industry. Moreover, if Elon Musk manages to build safe nuclear reactors, then it could be considered a breakthrough for the Tesla company to provide electronic vehicles at a much faster pace. Number 3. No greenhouse gases. The rise in floods, global warming, and spread of wildfire around the world has forced developing as well as developed countries to produce things that do not release any greenhouse gases. And as nuclear energy does not release any greenhouse gases, this makes it more compelling to use than coal power plants that contribute heavily towards spreading more pollution than expected. Number 4. Empowering Mars mission. With giant companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, an independent agency of US federal government, NASA, racing heavily towards dominating planets like never before, Elon Musk's innovative proposal of building fission reactions based on nuclear power plants can speed up the process of exploration, as well as colonizing Mars with energy it manages to provide. As the proposed nuclear reactors will be portable enough to transport themselves anywhere, we can now explore more possibilities in the space world than ever before. It is true that when Elon Musk proposes something unique and sustainable in the market, it is bound to inspire other entrepreneurs in inspiring the same goal as his. Surprisingly, Bill Gates has already established a company in the name of TerraPower, which is also focusing on developing innovative solutions towards utilizing nuclear power in a safer manner. Although many companies have tried to utilize the fusion reaction-based nuclear plants to skyrocket their business, they have failed to achieve the expected results. But if Elon Musk's fission-based reactor manages to work perfectly, it could change the way companies conduct business. As easy as it sounds, there are many hurdles that need to be crossed by Elon Musk before proving his point on nuclear fission energy. To be more specific, Elon Musk's views on nuclear energy have already attracted a heavy amount of criticism from various government bodies as well as private companies. One of the biggest concerns is the life of people that could be put in danger if Elon Musk's plan fails to bring sufficient results. And if any damage is caused to the people and their property through his plan, then it could also directly affect his share price on a massive level. So, this is how Elon Musk is planning to bet on nuclear reactors when the world is trying to put an end to it. It is true that unsafe handling of nuclear reactors can result in unmeasurable damage to the world. But if we try to focus more on handling nuclear reactors safely, then we could be on the road to fulfilling the rising demand for electric and other energy-based products around the world. What do you think of Elon Musk's plans on nuclear reactors? Do you think he could succeed in building a safe and portable nuclear reactor? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.